How to fix Zoom app join audio not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are using Zoom, okay, and if you are about to join the meeting, but if your audio is not working on the Zoom app, then guys you need to do some setting, you need to do some solution. After that guys, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so guys, first we'll see the settings. Okay, if the settings work perfectly, then guys your problem will get solved automatically. So just see the setting, and then guys, if the setting doesn't work, then guys we have to do the solution by any means, and then guys your problem will be solved. Okay, so just watch the video till the end, and guys before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press that bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. So at the first step guys, what you have to do here, okay, so for that you will have to go to Zoom, because we are going to see the setting first. Okay, if you are about to join the meeting, then tap on the join, and then guys check this option, don't connect to audio. Okay, if you enable this setting, then guys your audio will be always turned off. Okay, so make sure to check this setting, and then guys your problem will be directly solved. Okay, you have to disable that option, and then guys let's go to setting, let's go to meeting, and then guys let's check. Okay, let's check the audio option. So guys, as you can see here, okay, so if your audio is not working, then guys you have to check all this setting. You have to disable this option, always mute microphone option. Okay, you have to disable that option, and then guys auto connect to audio. So it should be okay, so it should be like that. Okay, it is perfectly set, but guys this option, always mute my microphone, okay, this option should be disabled here. And then guys let's check another settings, if there is any settings. Show my, okay, so show my connected time, use original sound. Okay, so there is no more setting. And then guys after doing just this setting, your problem will be fixed. Okay, now you can go to meeting, and then guys check it, your problem will be solved. So if your settings works perfectly, then guys it's great, and if you are still having the same problem, then guys you have to do the solution. Okay, so let's go to the solution. So first you have to go to Play Store, search for the Zoom meeting app. Okay, you have to do this. So go to Zoom meeting app, and then guys you have to update the application. Okay, make sure to update the application. So updating the application is very important, so update it, and after the update restart your device, and then guys go to meeting, and then check it once again. After the update, check it once again. If your problem is fixed after the update, then guys it's great. And if you are still having the problem after the update as well, then guys you need to go to setting and scroll down until you find the apps, and then go to manage apps, or you may find here install apps. And then guys here you have to find out the Zoom application, and then guys you have to solve the problem from here. Okay, you need to do some solution in the manage apps. So now you have to scroll down and go to the Zoom application. So guys, now we don't have any options. Okay, we have did all the possible solution, now we don't have any options. We have did settings, we have did solution, okay, we have update our application, but still then if it is not working, then guys you have the last option to clear the data of your Zoom app. Okay, so clear the data, and after that go to app permissions, allow the permissions here. Okay, allow all the permissions, and then guys go back again, restart your phone, and now go to Zoom app, and then guys check it, your problem will be definitely solved. Okay, this will work perfectly. So just solve this problem by doing this solution. And guys, by any chance if this solution doesn't work, then guys make sure to reinstall the application. Okay, uninstall the application, reinstall it, and it will definitely work. But guys you can do this process at the last, but first you have to do all the solutions, okay, which I have shown you here, and then guys check it, problem will be solved by just the doing solution. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.